While the lion is the apparent king of the jungle, the wandering albatross is today's king of the skies. With a wingspan of 2.5 to 3.5 meters, the wandering albatross is the largest flying bird in the world. These winged giants have a circumpolar range, navigating the Southern Ocean, and can cover 75,500 miles in 1 year. Amazingly, they can travel these distances with minimal flapping of their wings by utilizing the wind and surface effect. Unfortunately, the IUCN lists this species as vulnerable to extinction, with the threats to this bird being long-line fishing and plastics pollution.